Animal Diversity 1, Lecture 11. Here are sponges. Today we will discuss about the water currents, body forms, maintenance functions and reproductions in poriferates. Ascon, Sycon and Leucon. Here you can see that water enters through the ostia and leaves through the osculum. Osculum is the opening of the spongiocele for water exit. Then in the Sycon, here you can see there are enfolding of the body wall that contains the dermal pores, radial canal and incarnate canal. Incarnate canal, radial canal and dermal pore all are present in the body wall. Now through incarnate canal water will enter into foldings and through dermal pore will enter into spongiocele cavity. Through osculum will leave the body. In the leucon there are external canal, dermal pores, osculum. Now through dermal pores water will enter and then through osculum will leave the spongiocele cavity. Here are the chambers and conocytes are present around the chambers, not in the body wall. Here you can see the sconide sponge, syconide sponge and leuconide sponge. The red color is basically the shape of the cells existing. Ascon is the simplest and least common body form. Vase-like and ostia and outer opening of porocytes lead to spongiocele. Conocytes line the spongiocele. Flagellar movement draw water into spongiocele through the ostia and exit through the osculum, that is single large opening at the top of the sponge. Sycon. The sponge wall appear folded. Water enters through the dermal pores. Opening of invagination of the body walls. The incarnate canal, invagination of the body walls, and the pores in the body wall connect incarnate canal to radial canal lead to spongiocele. Through conocytes line the radial canals. Beating of conocyte flagella moves the water from the ostia through the incarnate and radial canal to the spongiocele and to the out of the osculum. Leucon is extensively branched canal system. Water enters through ostia, moves through branched incarnate canals, leave to conocyte lined chamber. External canals leading away from the chambers and absence of spongiocele. There is multiple exit point for the oscula. Maintenance function includes the feeding. Sponges feed on the particles ranges size from 0.1 to 50 micrometer. Food consists of bacteria, microscopic algae, protists and other suspended organic matter in the water. Prey slowly drawn into sponge and consumed. Few sponges are carnivores. The deep water Asbestoploma can capture small crustaceans using spicules covered filaments. Here spicules are there and food will enter through the flagellum of the conocytes into the body. Conocytes filter small suspending food particles. Water passes through collar, moves into sponge chamber, suspended food trapped in the collar and move along the microvilli to the base of the collar. Then incorporated into food vacuoles, digested by lysosomal enzymes via pH changes, and partially digested food is passed to the amoeboid cells, distribute it through the other cells. Turbidity removal. A single leucon sponge of 1 cm diameter, 10 cm high can filter 20 liters of water every day. Age reproduction, sexual reproduction, egg produced, sperm produced, sperm will leave the body and will enter into the another sponge for fertilization. Sperm cells exit through the osculum, enter into another sponge through the incurrent quarter. Sperms are trapped by the conocytes, incorporated into vacuole. Conocytes lose their collars and flagellum, become amoeboid, and transport sperm to the eggs. Development occurs in the mesophyll. Cleavage of zygote results. Flagellated larval stage. Larva is an immature stage that may undergo a dramatic change in structure before attaining the adult body form. Larva breaks free and move into water currents that carry the larva out of the parent sponge. After 2 days of free swimming existence, the larva settles to the substrate and begins to develop into an adult body form. Asexual reproduction in the freshwater in the marine sponges or bigamoules with masses of amoeboid cells. When the parent sponge dies in the winter, the release gamule releases survive freezing and drying in favorable conditions. Spring, amoeboid cells stream out of a tiny openings, micropyle, and organize into a sponge. Some possess regeneration. Portion of a sponge that are cut or broken from one individual regenerate new individual. Here you can see sponge, asexual reproduction, fission or fragmentation. Sponge portion cut off and then will form the new individual. Thanks.